So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang watch history sa ating LOKLOK account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating LOKLOK account or yung ating LOKLOK app. And then, pagka-open guys ng ating LOKLOK account, mula dito sa pinakang homepage. So, dito, kung gusto nyo makita yung inyong mga watch history, itatap nyo lang dito yung parang clock na nandito sa may malapit sa search button. So, itatap lang natin itong button na to. And dito na guys, lalabas lahat ng mga napanood natin dito sa LOKLOK or yung watch history ng ating LOKLOK account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba makita ang watch history sa ating LOKLOK app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.